Well, tell me about your lipstick. What was going on?
Okay, so I put on this red lipstick because
That sounds fun.
I usually just do like a normal color, but I thought, oh. So I have this little teeny thing of red lipstick that I got in like a sample thing.
Oh, fun.
And every now and then I see it in my makeup thing and I'm like, oh, I'm going to put that on. Every single time I put this on, I go way off. And so I end up looking like I've got some kind of a
Freaking
disease
the
or
Joker
something
over here.
And here's the thing, it happens every single time. You think I would throw out this tiny little lipstick. No, I keep it in there, and then 2 months later I think, oh, maybe I've changed, and maybe I can actually put lipstick on now. No, clearly not my forte.
Maybe red lipstick isn't for you.
Then I also spent almost like a half hour today trying to put false lashes on.
Oh, that's never a good idea.
Yeah, no, I cannot do that. I've been cursed with curly eyelashes. Now, everybody thinks that would be a good thing.
No, it's not.
It's a nightmare.
No, like they curl back on
because
themselves.
they curl back on themselves, so it's hard to put mascara on. It's everything about them is hard. And here's a tip. Don't try to heat up a spoon or something and straighten them out because you burn your eye. I'm just speaking for a friend.
Yeah, That friend is my friend.
I'm an idiot.
That's special.
That's all there is to it.
What a good...
Don't even get us started on magic erasers. All right.
Whew, that's a good story.
No, not gonna happen.
All right.